Hello, welcome back to the Transition Color Painting YouTube channel. This is your host, Charlie Fox. Yes, part 2, mid-deck. Mid-deck, that's the third time I've said that. It's a mid-deck. It's a Midwest deck, and I feel like it's very Gothic. Yeah, it's just a vibe. It's just the vibe there. And Yeesh, I am so glad that I have content to, work on, review, share with y'all. I was in a car accident, for those who saw on my Facebook. For those that don't, I'm okay. All the other parties involved were okay. It was a backup on the highway. So yeah, without a vehicle, but actually that's kind of okay because I've been spending a lot of time reflecting and healing. So I'm going back to work tomorrow, Wednesday, June 7th. And I'm on a big house out there, or a big job out there, out in the countryside, and I'm gonna be there for a minute. I was filming on my phone, and then got an accident. I don't gotta explain everything, but yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this process, and yeah, do the cool things and like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and also have an amazing day. You deserve it. Alrighty, thanks y'all. All right, all done with the deck. Whoa, look at that. It's looking good. It's looking spicy. All right, I am walking up to the deck. I know I saw last night when I finished it, but Here's my reaction and first glimpse. Oh,
Good timing.
hell yeah.
I'm just ready to take off for a bit.
Okay, I just had a wonderful conversation with the owner of the deck. They are very happy with it, and yeah, this deck's been all sorts of different shapes and sizes. I guess originally the boards were running diagonally, and then that was replaced, painted probably, or stained a couple times. This partitioning wall was replaced. That's that. So yeah, like, I'm the umpteenth person to work on this deck, and I'm always trying to, you know, leave it better than what I found it. And that's, yeah, I'm grateful to do things like this. It's just so pretty. Like, you can see the grain, the stains soaked into these cracks. It's just, yeah, if you need a deck done, please let me know. This is like some of my favorite work that I can do painting. It does get a little tiring, especially if I'm like moving quick, but I have a really nice pace with this project, and I'm gonna go over the hours and the cost and whatnot at the end of the job. But for today, I'm going to be painting this and fixing this. I put the wrong filler in it, as usual. Like, look at that. So I'm gonna scrape all this out and put the right filler. Like, this shit ain't even dry. Like, it's like, yeah, I didn't do what the instructions told me to do. Okay, before I make a mess, yeah, enjoy the process. Voila, I did it. I was gonna time lapse this, but I suck at working with Mondo. Every single time I pick that shit up, I'm like, oh, it's gonna be smooth. I mean, I know how to use it, like I know how to make it look good, but to actually use it, I'm just don't have the patience for it. Which is ironic, because it's like, not ironic. Anyways, yeah, Bondo rant. I'm gonna prime this, and then once that's primed, I'm gonna spray. I gotta look at my gun, but yeah.